Good morning, students. Hope you all are doing well. I welcome you all in our e-classes organized by St. Mary's Convent School, Mariam Nagar. This is your moral science class. Every Thursday there will be e-classes for moral science. This is your moral science book, that is Value Education Class 2. After UT, this is your first class that we are going to start by half-yearly syllabus, chapter number 3. Let us start our lesson 3, the principle of politeness. So children, tell me first, what do you mean by the principle of politeness? What does politeness means? Politeness means having or sharing good manners and respect for the feelings of others. It means you have to be respectful for your words, what you are sharing with others. So children, let us learn with the story, The Rude Horse. Once there was a farmer who had an ass and a horse. One day the farmer was on his way to market to sell the produce from his farm. So children, do you know what does farmer means? Farmer refers to the person who produce the goods like grains, vegetables, fruit, pulses in their farm. The horse trotted ahead. Trotted means walking fastly, enjoying itself while the ass struggled along carrying the entire load. Here you see the horse is walking fastly, but the ass is struggling or feeling burdened with his load which he is carrying. After some time, the ass said to the horse, "This load is too heavy for me. I will not be able to carry it all the way. Please, you share a little bit of this load with me." So children, here you see the ass plead for dividing the load that he was carrying on his back. The impolite horse rudely scorned. Scorn means refuse to do something because one is too proud. The asses are made to carry loads. We horses are meant to carry only people. How dare you to even ask me to share a little bit of your load? See children, how rude the horse is. Now let us see what had happened next. After a while, the ass collapsed, means fallen down and become unconscious and fainted on the road. Here the ass lose his all control from his mind and body and fall down on road. Seeing this, the farmer unloaded everything from the back of the ass. Here the farmer removed all the goods from the back of the ass and loaded it onto the back of the horse for the rest of the long journey. The farmer loaded, put the goods on the back of the horse for rest of the journey and start walking. After some time, the donkey recovered. Recovered refers to return to normal state of health. But the farmer let him rest and did not put any load upon him. "It's a curse," thought the horse. Curse means evil that comes as if in answer to the someone's request. If I had been polite and shared just a little bit of the load with the ass when he requested to me. See children, here the horse is feeling very bad. I would have had to carry only a part of the load while the ass would have managed the rest. Here the horse said himself, if I have shared his load earlier, then I had to carry only a few load and rest as could have handled or managed. Now I have to carry the entire load for the rest of the way. Here we got a lesson from the rude horse. Politeness is the key to greatness. So children, you always be polite with others. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.